Well, snow season is over, so it's time to take off my studded winter tires on my side-by-side and time to put on my CST Sludgehammer summer tires, or in other words, mud time, which also means playtime. Well, this is the first time I've ever been stuck, and in this case I'm actually high-centered. I'm exploring a new section of trail now that the snow's kind of gone, and as you can see, that's a much bigger step than I was expecting, and I was like, I can just slide off. Nope, no I can't. So now I'm just gonna winch myself out. And just like that, I'm out. And you notice that was a full just winch. I just brought the side-by-side down nice and easy, all in neutral, just using the winch. Don't beat on your equipment if you don't have to. And you see, situation like this, I got time, there's no stress, use the winch. And while in many cases I like to say, when in doubt, throttle out, well, in this particular case, when stuck, use the winch. So, have a great one.